All right. Last lesson was about interpreting line graphs. Now you get to make line graphs. I'm going to show you on this one. This is not what you will be doing for your assignment. I will show you a couple of things about that one after I finish with this. The easier part is that they set it all up for you. So they set up the x-axis, they set up the y-axis, they show you the numbers. So all you have to do is go in and fill in the dots. So January is 3. So we go to January, we go up to 3. February is 5. And it's showing us the number of birds sold. March 6, April 7, May 4. Now, this one doesn't necessarily make sense to connect because it's not like I could have birds sold in the middle of January, but presumably they did sell them somewhere in between those months. So we'll go ahead and connect it since it is showing data over time. Now, there are then questions to answer. So go ahead and do that. Ooh, it's like a code. Don't know what it is. All right, let me show you the one you're going to have to do. So this one is about a bakery. The manager of Pan's Bakery keeps track of how many rolls are sold each day. Use the chart below to graph the sales and then answer the questions. So I want you to notice this is in just number of rolls, 84, 72, 66, 48, 54. But then look, the number of rolls sold, dozens, is what we are graphing. Because if I try to put 84 on this graph, it only goes up to 9. But it's telling us it's graphing by dozens. So we have to think, okay, how many are in a dozen? 12. So we need to divide each of these numbers by 12. That will give us the number to put on our graph. So for example, 84 divided by 12 is 7. So then on Monday, I would go up to 7. Okay, so I got you started on that one. There are some questions to answer once you are done making your line graph. One note, this one is again counting as your exit slip, so I will grade this one to see how well you can turn a table into a line graph. That doesn't mean I won't help you. I will still help you if you need it. Just let me know if you are confused. Notice how, yeah, there's just a number of questions, like how many dozen rolls were sold on Friday? Well, Friday, if I divide by 12, I'm actually going to get 4.5. Remember that 0.5 is the same thing as 1/2. All right, there's another clue for you. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.